Hello, friends. I'm here at Wine Estate where they farm grapes and then they produce wine here. So I have a friend with me who is going to give me a walkthrough of the entire manufacturing process end to end. Can I have your name?
My name is Rebecca and I will explain to you the history of the farm and all.
Thank you so much. Okay, so the entire area is how many acres did you say?
273 hectares.
273
acres.
Acres. Okay.
And 165 is under vine.
Oh, so remaining is used for construction and wine manufacturing, etc. Thanks. So we are now heading towards the cellar tour, and here is where they actually manufacture wine. And one more question here is, you don't add anything for white wine, right?
We don't.
It's
Everything
just pure.
comes with the skins.
Okay. How about the other things such as alcohol, etc.?
Alcohol, so the yeast is added because it's alcohol.
But yeast is not added in white wine.
It's gonna be area.
Okay. You still add that.
So these are the white wine things.
Mm-hmm.
So here yeast is added. So you see those big things, around the tank.
Okay.
They are called the cooling jackets.
Cooling jackets.
Cooling jackets.
Oh, that's a desert wine,
It's a desert
Maria.
wine,
Okay,
yes.
now I get it. So it's manufactured in a different manner.
Yeah, because it's made in smaller quantities.
Oh. Finally, I'm done with the wine tour, and a lot of greenery around here.